right, today's run is from Yinzer Coffee on the north side. And we're gonna run down to the river, check out the parks, and then have some coffee. Got the old Garden Theater. Used to be horns there in the 80s. Now it's changing. The whole place has changed. It's a beautiful park here. I don't think a lot of people realize how nice the north side is. Usually people just come here for Steeler games and Pirate games. One of the nice places in the Mexican War Streets. A number of old row houses, kind of like a Victorian style. I love the details on the old houses. I mean, look at that porch. Look at the flags and everything. The windows. It's nice that people are renovating these houses and not tearing them down. I never ran through this park on the north side. It's beautiful. It's Terry.
Is that California?
Sure. I never ran through this park before.
I do on occasion.
I never did.
Release.
Oh, I love it.
I brought Kirby down here one time.
I gotta bring Steele down here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go do the Roony home.
Yeah.
I knew it was around here. I just didn't know where the Roony home was.
I know exactly.
This is the Roony house. That's pretty cool. I wonder if it's still in the family.
It's pretty cool.
Look at this one here is huge. Like mansions, like Mansion Row here.
That's the Allegheny West. The William Thaw Field. This house constructed in 3 stages between 1870 and 1900 was home to 2 generations of the William Thaw Field. William Thaw Sr. Industrialist, financial, prominent charitable organization built on the Allegheny Observatory. I guess the Roonys, especially, it would have been probably Dan at the time.
Mm-hmm.
Art would probably be
Yeah.
passed on, but
Yeah.
he had a vision about the North Shore, and his vision was, to make it a spot for people to come. It wouldn't be just a game day experience.
Yeah.
And the baseball and the football and all those restaurants.
Yeah.
It makes for he had the vision. The old mayor Sophie,
Yeah.
Maslow.
Yeah.
I mean, she was big on it too.
Yeah.
I mean, she was everybody's grandmother,
She was. She was. She was well loved.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah. That is cool.
Yeah, so see where it's coming.
Yeah.
So that's why they speak of this stained glass right here as being, it gets somewhat, watch yourself.
Okay.
It's illuminated.
Oh wow. That is cool.
By the time we get back, I bet we'll be close to 3 miles. The
Okay.
slowest 3 miles ever recorded. It was fun. I was okay because I like it.
Yeah. Look at this street.
Yeah, we'll go down this street.
This one's amazing. Look at that. I mean, these houses are incredible. So now we're gonna go get some coffee at Yinzer's. Nice little place on the north side. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Good.